Sohal Welding Works presents Inner Prop Pipe Punching Machine. Hydraulic motors manufacturer by Crompton Grief. SWW, a leading brand for scaffolding machines. Schneider push buttons are used with HMI control panel. Sensors are used for the stroke adjustments. Auto lubrication system and pneumatic of Genetics brand, hydraulic on and off. Pipe clam and clamp. Air blow to move billets out. Using 2-meter pipe of 2 mm wall thickness. Parameters can be adjusted from HMI according to client's requirement, that is length, PCD and number of holes. Operator has to take out the job after punching. Now using 3-meter pipe having 17 holes at 150 PCD. Both punches move with the hydraulic cylinders to have a smooth operation. Production of 3-meter pipe with 17 holes in 1 minute. For high-quality product and after-sales service, always remember the name Sohal Welding Works. Sohal Welding Works, a complete solution for scaffolding. We are manufacturer and exporter of scaffolding machines.